In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate profit and loss using the Binance Futures calculator, along with explaining the underlying formulas so you can fully grasp how Binance arrives at these numbers. Now, the Binance Futures calculator is quite a handy tool, especially when you're navigating the often complicated world of futures trading. This calculator allows you to estimate several critical components of your trades, such as the initial margin. This is essentially the amount of collateral you'll need to put up. Additionally, it enables you to calculate the profit and loss for both long and short trades, giving you a clearer picture of what to expect in terms of returns. You'll also be able to assess your return on investment based on your initial margin and explore important metrics like the liquidation price and target price. To get started, you'll need to input several key details: your entry price, exit price, the quantity or contract size you plan to trade, leverage, and whether the position is long or short. First things first, log into your Binance account and navigate to the futures trading interface. Once you're there, look around the Order Entry panel. This is where you'll typically input your entry price, exit price, and the quantity of your trade. Near this panel, you'll find the calculator icon. It's usually nearby and serves as your ticket to estimating your potential trades. Go ahead and click or tap on that calculator. From there, you'll need to select the mode that suits your needs, whether it's profit and loss, target price, liquidation price, or something else. Then, choose accordingly if your position is long or short, depending on the direction of your trade. Now, it's time to enter your specifics. Start with your entry price, which is the price point you either plan to or have already entered your trade. Following this, input your exit price. This is where you aim to close or sell your position. Next, you'll enter the quantity, detailing how much of an asset you're trading or your contract size. Also, take note of your leverage, defining by how much your margin is being multiplied. All set with those details? Hit Calculate, and the calculator will present a clear breakdown. You'll see the initial margin you need, your estimated profit or loss in USDT or another relevant asset, and even your ROI percentage. To illustrate this process with a practical example, imagine trading with an entry price of $50,000, an exit price of $55,000, a quantity of 0.1 BTC, using a leverage of 10x, and taking a long position. In this scenario, your initial margin requirement would be $500. From this trade, your profit and loss calculate to a profit of $500. As a result, your ROI, which is the return on investment, is a substantial 100%, meaning you effectively doubled your initial margin. This exemplifies how invaluable the calculator can be, providing a systematic way to forecast and analyze your trading decisions.